Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
Ever raise his mouth to our second god, a do god, huh? Ere do here. Agwagweri ya mwamene neruwemo. Deti meregwa ni vejari ima salu bida. Ubi yeko boy mi asalo. Ika go hiyon magerani. Ika go hiyon ma. Ubi ododo ni awolo mujera o. Wagederi onya akade ya uwe palasi ni. O wabe lara lori ari. Nwa eri akmori abe. Wagbe o. When I'm where I do here, Yaga, all the new put on do when they live video. When you do prove who what I lost the live video, who more no say. Hey, I didn't right man, better. Ikma better. When we have na yogi, you have been using your fallacies in all these years to fight against the revered palace of Benin Kingdom. Why no do I tell me no lorry area? Era no fiawu. Eru when you dela like me, agwa. Huh. Oh, I'm when I get cocoa. When I need self, what you when all your work with Bua, where are you called or monkey face? It may tiny. Time away. Even all these things you are coming out to say, that's why I say, let me remind you. I've told you this several years because each time when you newly started this madness, when this live video caused you this craze, yeah, you got time on papa, you can repeat it all to how many times? All these things because you know after you are gone, you want these things to be there. So that as you keep hitting on these lies, these fallacies, so that people come in, we say no. Maybe some, people that they are senseless, they are frustrated and foolish, insane like you. They will not say, YouTube, undermine this person, this monkey face is dead. Let's find that. So I told you that. Before Abraham, they were men. Ubu adoka magbon water lo say emenutano rokpano ematairo. Can't you see? This woman the other day, she came out and tell you the truth. That is to tell you that the whole of Edo State we are one. She came out to tell you our custom, our culture, our tradition. We're no true Bini person, no Bini person. And that is exactly the truth. No true Bini person. Oh, where a meme of Pagi Munyan, tele gadino. Uke Varipona Lago Giame. If you Giame here, Latin, do deny. Oh, we are not going to make a Biafrania or deny Biafra. A Biafrani Wegia, Muma Begge meme, a meme lawek bevagmo, a live video or say meme you wek bevagmo. Huh? Oh, Vic Boto boy. E diome Biafra. No do deny emina. Deny Biafra. Only where we are muye profile. Only meme. Wa be o ma no mi we ma ga do wekere. Akpo we do wekbe. Have you seen a place in this world, a place where they don't have their laws, their rules, regulations guiding that place? How would you expect that place to function properly? It can never work. That's how it works. Okay? Oko dudu ebo panya yi ogwe magba ovedoni. Even we Christians say, you understand? If you are a true born of that great Benin kingdom, all right? Ebony mayagba oge we mine. Cause we mana keva ni re ravish we bewe lineage we wama keva ni re. So you wouldn't know how that place is, or you will know you have more get the more figure, or you will know you have more get okoro even oh Johnny mega ona mdia the more fie mega ona ri okoro unda okoro ye do ti we okagu we gun. You guys have been calling each other, all right? He has been giving you all false informations, fake informations concerning the Riviera Palace. Ana mi edendo when kawia na zefa yo ebede o my Google real life. O my Google real life when I got you to walk koyo oh kuya e wama e mine do ni here e ga ye yatam gwa ma mi ni yakin. Who knows for how long you and Okoro have been calling each other, have been spreading your lies, giving fake information, and nobody ever knew. Akedomie, okay, bani kwana ya mwe plate, oga monoba, ona muye. A plate baba, ona ya muyi mote. Why you ne uwena ga ya woma very oni ya vempo. We e moki fesi, ne video buwe, ne live video buwe ba igbokman ugari agbon. Iwi ya aga mi live video. We na de gberi agbon, a live video na okay aye be se meme you we. Wa ugbe magi ewe ewo kevo enu iya mo manu gba o ge bo ni odion we keka odion we na be ka keka ehia unda mani bi edo ogo wuji aya ema odion we ewo o ha ja fiunu onu obegi odion we no ridun ama iwe ere do here. O salogwedo o tún wọn agbon na ya fe ana on agwe onona korona no wekedo ekina da de ni amweru we ari ebe ne e pa utete ne gia bi type edene ni amweru we ari egwani ederi o imeja gelegele e va don do well. He's not a social media king. You understand? We're not doing all this your madness. Never. I'm where I say vanine. According to him now. Yankedo iyaka mai wege mi no sunu kege ade. Ye my dog bomber where existing. We nuna I go back type me and the bomb ye get to wadonye doni. Do bom yege benu ware donye doni oka ke won lele ni malele rejo. You have to be acquainted with our custom, culture, tradition. All right? A live video again. Iwu we are with a live video ye be fie me kwa we monkey face. A live video or less a social media magigaro. When am ya o yari agbon riawe. A live video ye be say meme do be. So let me sorry I'm not reading the comments, it's too early. I have a lot of things I'm still doing right now. Why you like in the video
my woman is pregnant for me. She have a daughter for me. I see I have one son before.
If you street Arabo no be a more we be any. A street Arabo children. A street Arabo street Arabo children anywhere tiemo. E money je na ge Fulani herdsmen. Agbeo.
So all together is 3.
If you Fulani herdsmen.
I know that you have only one son. That's right. There's a daughter. That one you see on the video is a daughter. She's a daughter. She's not.
Agwa kagenya biye ya memo na ibe akagenya memo. Vie Fulani herdsmen. Yes, so Don. Don Buju, good morning.
Come, let me do fundraising for you because you need it. You are getting gradually. You don't.
Yes, so if the born away for where you have me who emi obo waiting ye yari eboni awa they gonna tell me yakin isiro waving wami wena we no gbelele IPO bingo se for ekigbe ogiti denu we gitie ba o ma no ye do ave yuri at the time yeah huh me no see me na when we na say because ugme we ogiso no giso gbo ohun ekenu na ge mi ogiso so oyi me when we ogiso we hin oyi me when we ted den wedi one when me wan ge we mi opa ke mi opa ge di me yi we am me me azek o we aturi Amabio serio. Where wage we met to be me where ha or me bene mini waje where or makume na wakba. Where tet oreno evani I cannot be popo. Everyone come away more way. What will I say? A bon bera. Back bob man or yagbon.
That woman, the Nebo TV, before you come and tell history, but now you have run away. What happened? You were very good. That time I was watching you. I was very happy. I said, this man is taking us our history. We want to know where we come from. How come you don't do that again? What happened? They sack you, you sack yourself. What happened, sir?
Mami no see le pana we agweta lo gbe. Go. O meme na. O te va pa.
Information I had that before you were expelled from the palace. Here come your way and 1 minute to be pushed away.
Area di mo fit ono na. Anybody no misbehave runda on your pa emi ni mama we do ni. One mazagadabu mazowegi manivie dona ye kendoni kwe egwani o ikara no gui mahia egwani e mayahio. That is our pride, our heritage. Egwani enu. So anybody where you want to mess around with that place, awa ya we vote oni aya we ya nwame. Ebo eno emi kemera meni ebo keka eno ebo no eri oji tele gati wa mogbenu ayaria wo to ne do ni ogbuwe so eno ogwa gbuwe iya gi jera vempo ya ma jera vempo era ozuwa ya setting we yen ma ememenu meme we tin akege ade no man setting ti we lawa no gu egun you understand? If visual ni afiangu in roto evona when we are lorry visual he are lorry ben wakere no wa gbe owo o to no gbe bi e wa hian egbe dan wakere if visual my titi e we lawa era hian ka we despite what we my lawa nu ya la we bo ati we e my keep down e meme. If one ever keep down, ave mi omo no sanku ave mi omo lelele. No ve nyunyi me no magba. Ewo, ogwe ma jerio. E boy na jerio na ge jollofu. Iya ka ma ewe mi no una. Arun pa ke kan ladian do gwegon ona ru le ladian. Ona do aimia. Ona do aimia. Okay, me say because to me or my me say a boy ni bava no me and I might be a do yagon kind because all this in fact in our heritage, our custom, our culture, tradition, wakiando ya where that wakiando kawu wagwata love a live video. You understand? Bava ne boy ni we latiage jollof with my ni abo we ati ewodo. To me, or my me and say, but ubege ulule or yale latin. Ogwe una jinu bonokin. No giamia buohun when you know that Ogiamia is a chieftain title which no longer even exists. Because the son who would have succeeded that throne, Arisco, am I in a no way boy ni go saboyan yeveni ati Arisco, am I can no mwe o saboyan la, emino yo saboyan yahoo. Because Arisco wanted to take over knowing that he's from the mother side, which he cannot become chief Ogiamia. He is from the mother side of Ogiamia family. He's not from the father side who would have taken over the chieftain title of Ogiamia. All right? So, Obarisco, a boy, not take again. So, since that boy is nowhere to be found, that's why that chieftain title of Ogiamia, I've been saying it, is no longer existing in Benin. Because only the first son, Nama Ekenarisco Muelana, Yonpa it represented that chieftain title. Ukevanenpa, una lage Ivigbo. Una lage Vigbo. Otekbo magwere minugari. Otekbo na madio na were ya gbera. Bokena lubodi. E bigbo no ya were gbera monkey face. Amadio ha. When ya via sa ya moira bokena lubodi. Undaira makedonire. Agbeo idiot.
Why you know they gonna see the title why you don't answer that title? Because you are just in your prison there, no, you don't walk on the streets of Germany. I was in Berlin protest. I was also in Düsseldorf. If I move around to ask you now. Okay, where do you want me to go? This month, the first month of next month, I'm going to France, in Paris. Yes, I have a protest. I was in a few months ago. I'm very close to my house. You really need to come in now. Come and welcome me now. Are we friends? What do I need you for? You are your brother. You are also my colleague.
Ogioba bu mokifesi. Wande ariabe bake mi ogioba. Sirama babe anabioba. Ogioba ni okiabe yakin kubu ekera. Uwa ke asun gbe gbogbo wari atmosu. Yes. Don't buju. Yes, thank you. When you're going west. Yeah, so even on your way of a community, exactly. You can't even mess around with them. Who don't have a real life video fear me make away. I go batile. I go batak me. I swear both of you. Away Koromaloya. My baby, fire la wagbe. Runda no kaya doti we dia do be kauna is of your egbe. Am I go ga live video. Koyo, koyo. Oh, queer. Oh, queer. Oh, queer. Koyo. Oh man, wege go mwe gwaye mu mani bi edo hia ko ma kegele ki hu afuede ko mo bo ko mo we mo ki fesi yinu po no hin mu rovie by me live video gbo ma be ri oni we ki ya tian opia ah runda ni eke me na ni ane live video ya fie me na ko yin ya o yin egwe gwa yen gugun a o ma ni bi edo hia eno so o vena ila egbege okoro e fa be mi teme na ruwan ebe oni opa ona ya mu emi na na mu yi moto me a video and I don't know why Chief was explaining to this lunatic. My people, poison. Adobami we anaje raya nwame aja efonto vegwa omo bobe no be una no do ya moedoria. It's not a problem at all. Area we don't have any explanations. Oga poison amune yega mi hu ya ladian vegwa eba. Wo wan we poison fo eba ni ona de ya wu. Okay? Besides, eyan pa ejeba. Eyan pa bi veni e bi oriago venu wejena. So Emakemano no mudia yo deko de we na ya imoto ne do ni ria emi ma wa me na ya gba o be we maniki poinsin e ma ya kawe. All right, me wa ema ni e ka nyunyi me no ma keke ni okeke ye do fi werie ni e ka vonto ni nwa me be gwa. Up till tomorrow they are still living for so many years. I'm telling you. Even anabe mo poison no ma ederi owewu a poison aruwe. So a part shouldn't have been here explaining to this a lunatic. You understand? Maybe he was just less busy to while away his time. Because I don't see the reason why. Why must you explain? Why must you explain? Huh? Let it go to places. Where I think we be at we as well a monkey face. Runda oba Mario ya mokpa wugwe na where think we mokpa. When we do we mokpa we as well. Am I we be at here? Where I think we be at do. Or when I am with poison in the way safe. Who me and you? Where I think we mani be at we as well. Am I be serio? Everyone we can read. Huh? Nu wema onu we imi eko kege ade amaje be biwa. You understand? Agbe igbono maru we. O afian we mi obi edo pataki obi ede sesese na je kendo gelegele yahowe. Owo we obi edo no bi edo. Owe runde live video. Ya ndo ka gi yen gwa kalo we live video o ya mu da gwa no edo. Esunu nia. Esunu another person from even this our sister the other day, she was telling you, yeah, you heard her saying, well, oh, that place really, gladdens, sweetens my heart. Where beg cause gele no esunu oviedo na ye kendoni yahwe oviedo na gele miewe erabi je egbo lineage generation we doni oiwa wo we ememe omunyanyo hu so no a good man. Ekwenya nyenario bi era je de good man. Hu directing. Ekwenye nyenario bi ogwe hiase papa no we ezihio. Emi dan era kini. Eberie. Era was a bad man. Ebe monkey face. Majoka bu e wa lo de ni majoka lai we majoka ge wo ge ni a no do ya odo ya amemi ngwa bi majoka no wasu ngwo de na be ro wa wa ulo de ni majoka lai majoki ogbo ohun majoki o to gbo e ogwo e be to gbo majoki wa afiyan hu e moria e modern de live video to wa do ka wu wa go atalo be live video the same live video no see meme you work be obviously imagine ki egbe ni what you see on you work be a live video no
80% of the daily or 70%. I am here.
Ask him. At all. Yes. Only the well-meaning Beninese or handle legacy majority. You understand? The true sons and daughters of Benin or handle baba mama eri mama o salogwedu o ma the well-meaning Beninese or handle legacy ni. All right. Exactly. Yes. Yes. Ubege, because a palace in mine. Yes, the loyal citizens of Benin Kingdom, the well-meaning Benin, just like the case of this other lunatic there. Yeah, my junkie. Exactly. No, we walk at this 13,000 euro. Oh, see, I na go my so go. Wa can go so get to go atalo. Iwa je go. Egeye yakam web. Ukokamu wabe mana. Omo no ba ne do ere social media na. You see what the chief is saying here? Because your man watalo be live video ni. Abi egwa. Nemo ba da egwa jo. How many complain who no complain anything where you go susu you are no mind la go wagaje gwa ute je ba ni luso lopa iyanga ke hu no lawa we nana mi egwa me pataki we gele mure hu e ma gbon pa we dota aga ki ro no lawa wa ho cause any live video fie meme ko wa ne be no fi ko e mo ki fesi wa igwe tu gwa do age ko ge live video gwa gwa okay, why got you gwa? Cause what Dameonia Echifute the Negapi or Guana, though he's suspension, I believe so up till now, but he's always in the palace there. So they know how everything works. Our king is not on social media. His Royal Majesty, the great Oba of the Riviera Palace of Benin Kingdom. He is not a social media king. He is not on social media. So if you want to let any of your live video complaints, go to the palace and report yourself. I was one man. abo ezu on ezu na we awa bege we palace.
So if you are good and bold enough, come to believe.
Exactly.
Okay, what if I come to Uhuru because what they have to do? Anywhere you want to come to Edo State, come to Nigeria. Just let us know that you are in Abuja. Don't worry. So I thought, who said?
Ogiso agbo ohun. Ogiso no do ya me live video oga gbo ohun ogiso oga ti ewe mu enika o wetie na.
Why is it that in Shala they don't answer Oba Yakpo village, Oba Dua, Oba Isako? All those names they are answering. How come they don't answer those names?
That mad woman Odonoji. Take your time because you have been biting more than you can chew. You have been insulting your head and your generation for all this while. Go and kill yourself. A live video of here me koya. Okay, now, a chief for Tana concerning our true history. You understand? When I can true history of a Benin kingdom, when I let you do instead of you to humble yourself from the beginning, let the historians they teach you. Let them teach you. Let the chiefs even. Let the you understand? Because now he realized right from the beginning when they live video, live video. You know, a lot of people are like that. Or when I buy a carry mortal loss. Don't cliff it where a mona talog be boba monagi women. A boy nakina, you understand? And this has always been the cause. Here only a hanging at a lobby. And the other no yasi wanna I just say. Away there a mona talogbe, baba monagi women. No. Baba, mana uwe be na yakwa uwe where near do yakagi and talogbe. Agua. Oba Mario ya, we are doing here. One. Every mama I do wear sister or monopane do qua polo. Oh my, that woman will wear all. Manibia dona all deal with wear right from time. Where? Then when I will wear, I feel well like Johnny no, and came here no. He walk at that baburuku. It may say Marco Weaver. Yeah. I come away. No mahua, igege no gualo. Igege no ga gualo. Couple with igege no ga gualo. Cause you saw yawu in best side enough for that matter. There igba no mama ne monkey face. Orion maso yawu couple with me edo ya ka win your talose. OCF you know jena emigo ni oje wetawa. Runda, you work here, me go, you want say 5 monkey facey. Where my your book work, well, no, that, oh man, no, that one where you can. Ni when I big go, no, where big go, who where big go, and ya where big go. Hey, I told Bob the boy. Bell. So. Oh, who are the monkey face? Go and do your worst. Is the way we use in protecting, even if your useless father monkey face, your useless father, your stupid father, even if he was brought forcefully to the palace, you have nothing to do about that. All right? Nobody asked you or told you to be spreading false rumors, to be spreading fallacies towards the palace of Benin Kingdom. You, for years, you have been spreading false rumors. False rumors. You have been spreading false rumors for years, monkey face, towards the Riviera Palace of Benin Kingdom. For years now, you have been spreading all fallacies towards our great palace, the Riviera Palace of Benin Kingdom. All right? So even if your father was forced down for questioning if he has hand in all these fallacies you have been spreading on social media, or because you said you have gone nuts because of social media, because of live video, if at all your father was brought forcefully to answer some questions in the palace, or even to swear an oath if he has a hand in whatever, you know, in all this, your madness in all these years, we have every right to do that, because like I said, each and every place in this world, they have their laws, their rules, their regulations, which guide any city, any village, any kingdom. Name it, a nation, a country. Everywhere has their rules, their laws, their regulations, which guides each and every place you can talk about in this world. So that's it. Everywhere has their laws, which they use to guide their place. All right? In order to avoid disasters in the land. You monkey face, you have been fighting the Riviera Palace of Benin Kingdom with lies, with fallacies in all these years. You came on social media insulting the Riviera Palace of Benin Kingdom every day for years now. Keep spreading fallacies, keep spreading fake rumors concerning the Riviera Palace of Benin Kingdom. So, you have been doing this for years when you know everything you have been saying are all lies. You keep making videos upon videos. Several of your videos are on YouTube of your fallacies you have been telling concerning the Benin Palace. Everything you have been saying so far, it has been all fallacies. Only for you to come to social media to say maybe you can do anything to bring down the palace of Benin Kingdom. So these are all you have been doing for years. That was why your father was being summoned to the palace to ask him questions. If he's aware of your madness, the lies you have been spreading on social media about the royal palace of Benin Kingdom. All right? So, we have the right to do that, just like every other part. In this world, I've been saying this to you for years now. You have been insulting the palace. I told you every place have their laws that guide their palace, their kingdom, their land. sweet name. The Oba Dolagmoyi, and it's true, Oba Ogele Dolagmoyi. Oba Dolagmoyi, Chifute Tenegiabi. I understand. They take a time. You understand? A chief figure take a time. Yeah, explain me now. Oh, when I not here when you Yahweh. Which this thing I said several years ago, so many years ago. You understand? I said it in a way. In a way, oh no, he knows he's not going to leave, so he want to leave all these videos behind. So that some insane people another time we keep on now questioning these videos. Look at what we saw, what we heard. Without many of these people, because they too, it's only the insane people like him that will want to know about it. You understand? Because na beg me here fair you say YouTube will here now. Where even after he's gone, those things they will remain there. So that people will take over from there. Where without Oba we can't live. Without Oba man, my ear don't where mine now Oba do. Owa baga media oye na go salobwa mani vie do yaga mudia mani vie do yaga media mai gebe na go ba eri oji. Okay, it's just in fact we can't do without Oba. It has been like that from the beginning, even right from the time the title, the name. It's not a title, it's a name. Oba is a name. Right from the time Oba was called Ogiso too, it has always been like that. We can't do without our Oba, because he is just a part of us. Okay? When the name Oba was called Ogiso, it was the same thing. Huh? My beative do without Ogiso, Vegani, Aganamana, Atioba, Ogiso. So, my beg, so when my beg a live video of fear, for where he is disappointed where. Oh, Bani, I am Manivia. Hey. Okay, where did you know? We are working where you are from Benin, Kata, Oba or Benin. Yeah. So, no. Oh, Bani, I am a do. Yeah. They cannot tell me, and I say. Okay, what are you on? Oh, very sorry. Oh, you want more? You always say, Maja, you what? You, Wama, okay, problem. You may why we live? I may why I'm with phone fear. Oh, Bonok Babodoni, Mamma video. So, well, came another me or any major go bold for what you say.
It was straight. We now
because if I'm my year, if we now here until his father was brought to the palace.
For so many years,
okay. One more time. Oh, my Johnny, or my Atira. Nana be go be the phone ya Atira or more done. Or more done. Especially in a live video, Yeah, I want like live video na we wo ye kede. A live video say me yo igbe. Na na we no re phone ya tiera ogi e tin ejo wow. Wage o magi mi ebe o magi ejo ewu. We no be tiera era we ma he mo e dede me de. O mo dan igba kan no mama. Seko se la de mi ama e veni atai. E sikla.
It was just the man proved himself to be humble and good man. And I'm like, okay. Now if you have any
My people, they will be a dogma where a romokpa jomokpa na yakama where ovwemwe a do hiarovi o ogie do hiarovie o wemwogie guairovie no why expect where no piani yeto or woni only alone is a shock. Huh? Runda egwani o wima nivi edo here. Ogi even a raido nyedo now. Runda gelegele ye ibi edo, a raido nyedo. Those people that came to settle in Benin. Alright? These are not the real Benins. Huh? Dero mokpa no nagi kage ono na kono na gozu o si na we e chief ga de waste time I explain in mine. Ah? Oni se na partition ya mwime. Mo ma mi veni megije ni a sabo agun me mi dan we gbe sabo agun me kin ogun ba kin ogun ni ka o. Kin ogun o sanu dazi. Kin ogun evo. Aro pa do kan mi me ni awo obi me ogun ai. Ge erio ya I mwegwa no edo yaga. Iya. O saloboa. Ani ma se no si partition yogin megbe. Partition it don't come o, e onikin. Runda egbe me very on am e mi ode. Ovia mimi na me ma e ka hu e. Ah? Ado ya ha me. Era we do here because because so you